Alright, we just got up in this attic. Newer install from last year. To Trane. Looks like it's an SV92 Trane. Definitely new furnace, 19. I just heard the burners come on. They went out right away. Logo got knocked off. There we go. See what happens. Looks like only one burner is being lit. Looks like just this top burner is lighting. Wondering if there's something in there. Let it cycle one more time. Heat stage 2. Get some prep going. And we'll come back when this thing ignites again. Alright, this thing's gonna ignite again. Let's see. I believe only this burner is lighting, and that's the top of the rail. So, let's see. Yep, it's just that one. Alright, let's see what's up. Got it separated. It's just, 2 screws at the top, 2 screws at the bottom. So we got gas coming out of this one, but nothing coming out of that one. So the top burner's lighting, but not the rest. So let's take one of these off. Something's in there. Right, so we took some of the burners out. This is a propane system. Usually with propane systems, you can get some soot buildup in the burners, sometimes in the orifices. The orifices are okay, but when I pulled out the burners, you could see, I don't know if you can see it, but in between the cross rail, there's some soot in there. That's most likely blocking the carryover from the first burner. So we're going to clean all these burners up, blow them out, brush them, and see what happens. You can even see the soot flying around on my hand right there. So this should work. Give it a scrub. Yeah, see, nice and clean now. Alright, we got them all clean. Got one in there, so we'll start putting the burners in one. We got all the burners in, all lined up. See if this thing lights up now. Yep. Now, it's just the damn burners clogged up with soot from the propane gas. No heat. Looks like everything's working now.